It was just Gibson's way of not having to do a certain thing on the guitar, you know.
Yeah.
But it looks cool like that. Wow. What'd you pay for it back then?
So
$300.
It was something between 300 and 400 probably.
It was.
Yeah.
Okay.
I don't think it was more than 400.
Mm-hmm. No, it probably wasn't at that time. The Guild was about 350, or I think it was like 375 with the case. And I was looking at, just for kicks, I was looking at some Guilds online, the same vintage as mine, and now they're going for like $2,500 in good condition. Mine's in condition like yours, you know.
I mean, this is pretty good shape.
Yeah, really good shape. Don't let Norm see it. Do you know that song called "Stay Out of My Arms," Paul?
Oh, do not.
It's got 3 chords in it. The verse has 2 bars in 1 chord and 2 bars, so it's like, there's the verse. And
I'm not going to be paying attention right now because I'm kind of
okay.
thinking about setting up here.
It's a Lauderdale song,
Okay.
and George Strait did it, and it's a good song. And the solo section will be over a chorus. For those of us who care about it. I better get my list just in case, because I'm gonna have to sing more songs. And I won't do guitars Cadillacs, because Carmine doesn't like it.
I don't want to do it either.
Susie, in travel.
Yeah.
When I traveled with Samantha one time up to Oregon,
Yeah.
man, she threatened to well, she did. She left the car at a gas station. I'm getting out of here. And she was going to run away, like. I just constant doubt. Wow. Because she didn't like my driving. I hate her driving, so it doesn't work.
Well, then nobody should drive.
Yeah. Blue Barn, yeah. Oh, really? That's good.
Moonshine.
It's one of the Jack Brown shirts.
Because my other shirts are heavy like that.
This is really heavy, yeah. It's
Yeah.
gabardine or something. I
Yeah,
don't
the
know
other
what it
shirts
is.
are really heavy.
Remember Patrick from Terry Hansen band? Drummer? Patrick. He sold this to me. Out of West, but he said, they didn't fit him anymore.
Oh,
And
Ow.
if I gain any weight, it won't fit me either.
I still have a bunch of handmade slim shirts. I used to wear back in the
Did it fit you?
late 70s. Not anymore. Because they used to come really tight around the waist.
Right.
They basically got the message not to do that anymore. Because, you have to be like
I know.
perfectly in.
Unless you're holding an instrument.
Yeah, and then if
Yeah.
and then if you're sitting down.
Yeah.
I started a bunch of those things. Like 1980.
Yeah, once we eat my mom's.
I did the Lee Harper thing. My ears are still ringing.
Yeah.
So loud.
What venue?
Burbank Elks.
I know that place.
Is
Yes.
very close to being deaf.
Yeah.
He has to wear a hearing aid to hear people.
Yeah.
Who does? Lee?
Yeah.
Oh.
Good band though.
Yeah, you have Bill Horn on guitar.
No, Al Bonham,
Is Al.
Cool.
Owen Goldman,
Kurt Cruz.
me and Kurt.
Yeah,
Yeah. Good band.
yeah. Well, there's another one coming up that I can't maybe September 13th.
My birthday.
Oh, okay, well,
But that doesn't mean anything.
okay. Well, I think he is taking care of it. It's the cemetery with the FW.
Where? Oh, that one.
So, it only pays like $65, $70. Okay, never mind.
Thanks anyway.
Never mind.
Okay, Bob, you want to teach me something?
Okay. Let's try to stay out of our arms. It's been a long time for me as well. So it starts with a 5.
What key are we in?
Key of E.
E?
Yeah. So it starts with 5511.
Okay.
Top, okay. So 1, 2, 3. 4, 5, 1. And then Summertime Blues is just it's like we'll start with the. Every time I call my baby, try to get a date. The boss says no done. Yeah, you know it.
Yeah.
Right? So we'll do a lead on it if you want to, and Carmine do one, and we're cool. There's that. And then I think everything else, I don't want to do right or wrong. It might be a little complicated.
Which one?
Right or wrong? You know right or wrong? You do?
Oh,
Okay, let's play it. It's
what
fun.
key?
G.
Okay.
So but it starts on the sixth one.
Tell them how the intro goes. It goes through the entire song.
Basically goes through the entire song.
Okay.
Yeah. So, okay, 1, 2, 3. Right or wrong.
What key are we in?
G.
G.
Yeah.
Very good.
So it starts on the sixth chord first.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. 1, 2, 3. Ba ba da da. Ba ba da da. Yeah. Yeah. Da 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 da. Da da. Yeah. Right or wrong, I'll always love you. That's all it is. Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
Right or wrong. Yeah. Then I wake with that same old regret. All along I knew I'd lose you. Though I prayed that you'd be true. In your heart, please just remember, right or wrong, I'm still in love with you. Woo-hoo. Yeah. Then I'll do a tag. What do you got for me?
Dark Hollow.
Oh, okay.
In A.
Dark Hollow. Yeah.
I'd rather be.
In some dark
That's the whole song.
Yeah.
I'm gonna put my shirt on.
Okay.
Put my shirt on.
Sure is. Yeah, I have a recording of, or a few recordings of Clarence White singing that song.
I get my hat. Dressed.
jam. So where's Gary today? Mr. Swan. He's out of town? Is that?
North.
Oh, up north. Okay.
Is this regular water?
Well, welcome back home.
Man, am I happy to be home.
Yeah,
How are you?
good. Good to see you.
Good to see you.
Hello, doctor.
Hi, how you doing?
Doing good.
Good.
We got our secret weapon back, Bob Gossett. I'm not giving any soft drinks today. That's it.
You're okay so far?
It'll cool off.
So you had a good trip?
Oh, God, we had so much stuff going on. He kept sending me little things we were doing up.
Yeah.
You know, make it fun.
Yeah.
Yeah, we had, is everything here working? Okay, cases off the stage. No
Did
cases.
you sing it as well? Excuse me. You sing it as well?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You should go.
We got 15 minutes.
That's unheard of.
What?
I'm asking a favor. Okay, I've got family watching tonight. Is it possible for you to come down?
Oh,
That works?
I might.
Okay.
If I don't be mad at me.
I wouldn't be mad at you.
Okay,
I love you.
because I love you too. Okay, I know. What?
In my car, there's a little thing that holds the glass,
Yeah.
and I hit the button, and it won't release.
Well, I don't do electrical, but I can look at it.
Okay.
Show me what you got.
Huh?
Show me what it is.
Oh, okay.
Stayed in bed too long. Too long. For me, anyway. That makes me feel
Totally.
my energetic and stuff.
All right, okay. I mean, I tried to
I'm just, you know, if it works, fine. If it doesn't, no problem.
All right. Yeah, we had a good time on our trip.
Yeah, I can imagine. Well, what I done, that's good. You had it all on video, too.
Oh, some of it.
Oh, some of it.
That looks like it should be.
My son Charlie playing at the club. They
Absolutely.
were playing with Johnny Blankenship.
I haven't won
Playing
those
with
because I
Johnny
keep
Dennis. But I'm a little guarded about putting stuff up because I don't want him to feel like I'm exploiting him and
Yeah,
using his
sure.
name to build my show, you know, so I'm a little guarded. And plus, if I put anything up about him, it's gotta really be good. Meaning, good for him. We're not playing up to snuff or something I don't like, you know, I respect that man. They got,
Where did you see James?
I saw James, this year was in Shreveport, which put me 400 miles out of my way because it's for real. Oh yeah, I stayed at his house for 3 nights. Yeah. I stayed at his house. Well, he's always asked me for 10 years. Stay with us. They got 2 big houses, one in that. He owns about 3 houses in Shreveport and 2 houses
They're stretchy.
in Nashville. Both of them. One has an indoor swimming pool. Yeah. Shreveport is like incredible. But Sue and I don't stay with you. Big Johnny Blankets has got that big ranch, got a nice ranch.
Well, she's still, you know, we'll take care of that. All that kind of stuff. He's going out, yeah.
But this year Louise said, will you please just
She's trying to
stay?
turn the
It's
house, and
perfect."
he's there, and she's gotta watch him, and it's kind of, she can't do everything.
So their house is built really cool. I think it's about 6,000 square feet. Wow. He's got one wing on one side of the house, and closed door, that's his bedroom. He's got everything back, everything there, behind the kitchen. And
Yeah, you need the $40.
out
You know?
there. And the one bedroom, like the master
He
suite,
probably forgot all
has
about
its
it.
own
That's where
bathroom.
I'm sure he has.
There's another bathroom in the hall, or a couple of them, so the
He's
other.
gotta have them like
So we
right away.
stayed, that's in Shreveport,
Right away.
Louisiana.
Right.
But
At James
I can
Brown's
wait
house.
like three.
So I was honest to stay there, but he's always asked me.
That's apparently okay.
No,
Tell him.
tempted to move away, my family's here.
Well,
I gotta tell my
told me that
16
I'll-
brothers and sisters, if I'm going to Shreveport, you wanna come?
I thought,
you played it too bad.
Yeah, no, I'm in LA. I don't care if I live in a cardboard box down at Cathedral Park. I ain't leaving.
How was the harmonica convention?
A lot of harmonica, and the way they set it up for us was stressful.
Oh, really?
Well, usually the hotel, we bring in 1,200 people into this hotel. And they're charging us, they gave us the rate. The rate was $220 a night. Normally we pay about 100 because there's a lot of us. This was a Hilton right on the Riverwalk in San Antonio. It's kind of a gym. I mean, it's okay, but it's such a hike. But they had us all split up. So they had this one section with some chairs and really nice chairs and stuff.
That's right.
And Tony said, you can sit up here. And the manager says, oh, no, you can't do that.
Now, this
It
one,
has to be upstairs with a
you
monitor.
can just take off the
Lesson
people
or
and get
something.
your trash out.
Yes.
Tony said, no, we do this
There
every
is
way
right
over
there.
there.
But it's okay, you know, the amount of change that there is not that bad.
But the only, what I'm saying is, there's nothing wrong with it, it's,
So he's running this hotel.
Right. Just
Oh,
like a
Mrs.
Telecaster.
Mrs.
yeah, so you can
So-and-so.
just take it off.
Is there
Yeah, like
anybody
pulling
above
out
her?
electronics and-
The guy said,
And I
"No,
actually,
I want to talk to her.
I did some,
They had a 30-minute meeting.
slept
Nobody
through a
got
picture
off.
on it a long time ago. I
Tony
found
said,
it.
I just told
See
him,
if this
"No,
is on.
yeah,
Well,
this is
no,
what we're doing.
well, I didn't want to put it on, but
And even then she didn't give into it. She said, well, I'll tell you what I'm going to do. I'm going to turn my head and look the other way. He said, I don't care what you do. I want that spot. She said, well, do what you want.
Oh, yeah.
Understood. So I got it, and it worked really good.
It's okay.
I think this is.
No,
really
well,
bad.
at least.
It seems a little bit.
Well,
Everything was
she's
nice.
still not following the
You know,
code
was
of the law.
Tony's
So then
smooth
you
as
said,
glass
well,
when he talks.
Yeah.
that should be low.
Smooth as glass.
Yeah, I know what you mean.
How much, what are you bringing? You moving in? You're not moving in, are you?
Yeah.
I gotta charge you rent.
Yeah.
Come on. So other time there was such a funny thing with James Rhodes. He always tells me about this dog.
Yeah, I'd be really careful with all this stuff.
Yeah.
And he
Well,
says,
it's very good. It's not-
come here. And the dog's like back it up. Come here. And the dog kind of walks around. He says, come here. Finally the dog comes and
I
picks him
still
up.
got the
This dog
strap
wants
between your shoulder and Ford guitar.
Oh, yeah.
I don't think I ever,
And I'm telling you,
Oh.
James, that's not a dog.
I just, it's one of those with
That
like a
animal acts like
movable,
a
I think it's a
cat.
movable
Don't care
shoulder.
nothing about you. Just wants to eat and sleep.
It's
And
got a
that's it.
buckle on it.
So, James and I, Louise goes
I've got a
outside
strap
and calls the dog.
that goes
Dog
along with my
outside.
1958
Dog's
West
way on
Point
that
Gamer,
side.
which is the
Dog
original strap.
comes running.
It's like a little
Go,
cowboy
come
strap.
on, by his
Yeah.
TV.
It's pretty cool. It's from 58. And the original pick.
I mean, he was almost like a you don't want to be touched.
Yeah, the one
James and I
Ford strap looks like
fell on the
that
floor
too.
laughing.
It's
I said, that dog don't give a crap. He said, no, that's my pet. Come here.
thin except for the shoulders on there.
Yeah.
Great fun.
Right,
Yeah,
exactly.
such a-
That's the kind of strap it is. It's an old fashioned type.
Well, I got some video of us playing. I didn't put it up. Like I said, it wasn't great, but it was just us messing around and talking and laughing.
Well, if I feel like it,
So,
but I was
Charlie,
Yeah, at the nightclub.
Yeah.
Yeah, and then you didn't see the Del McGinnis thing.
I didn't.
It's the whole song by Tony. It's
So
two
yours
extra
was
six. Just one few hits and it had like 18 moves and one one you never know. Just the
Went
back
inside,
doors.
give you a chair on the stage, and just
We
sit
had good
there
Oh.
inside your exam.
You okay?
Wow. Oh, these
No,
are
they weren't hurry.
How'd it go?
They were,
Not good? You mean did they get it or fix it or hurt?
Well, they took the cans around.
Okay, that's good.
They gave me stitches all the way down my ear.
well,
Oh,
Who's the sound man? Is Gordy?
No sound.
Wow. Are you painting better now?
Right, but I mean, there used to be, okay, a DJ,
Yeah.
it sounded sort of, there used to be
More like Van
a
Gogh.
DJ.
I've never seen
Anyway, I'll tell you more about Blake. We had a good time.
Gordy was
Blake,
good.
but Johnny, I got a little couple of and Johnny. His wife Jenny's playing
Yep.
bass.
Yeah,
Johnny's
I saw
playing
that.
steel.
The sound
Yeah, I saw that.
in NorCal. That's a stage that's like 6 feet
Well, he's
deep or
been
7 feet
practicing
deep.
last year. So Doug Vaughn,
It's still,
you know what they
right,
did to me?
okay. So,
Real
a long time ago, Gordy,
I called Doug Vaughn.
on certain nights, or at least one night a
And
week,
Doug
he'd
said,
get
I
the
don't
sound
have any gigs this week.
DJ.
If I did, I would play
Yeah,
something.
a long time ago.
I played with this year.
Back in the Christian Singing days.
He said, I don't have anything this weekend. I said, well, I'll call you
But
during the
now
week.
it's
I'm going
not
to be
that
at 5 days.
long.
And I want to come
stage.
Yeah,
by to
thank
lunch and
goodness.
give you a, Doug and I have
I mean, there's not a lot of room anyway.
Well, I call them and they say, what's going on? And I said, listen, I'll come your way. I'll meet you halfway. And he says to me, you know, there's really no place to eat here and there. And I felt a little funny, but I kind of laughed. I said, well then, okay, I'll see you the next time I'm in town. He said, okay. So we hung up and I went to see him. I said, I don't know if he's mad at me or what, but I'm not going to go to him. Now, yeah, it was on. So now I'm in Crossville, Tennessee with John Clancy. We went out of the restaurant and we made reservations. And he got 2 other chairs at the table. And I said, I thought there was a 6th one. And John said, I got a surprise for you. Not even thinking about that. 2 minutes later, Doug comes back.
Oh, that's funny.
And I looked at him, I said, is that what that was all about? He said, yeah, I knew I was going to see you tonight. And he said, John, he said, don't see you, we'll surprise you, we'll all be together. And we had a gig the next night, and we all played together.
Oh, that's
So
great.
me and Johnny and Doug, and we had all 3 of us.
So he was giving you the business. You didn't-
Oh, absolutely. He said, I didn't know what to say. I said, what kind of a line is that? There's no place to eat. Which we hear. I said, I didn't know. He says, I don't know. That was all I can come up with. The spell you
Oh, dear.
It was only 2 days later. We spent 2 days together in Crossville.
But it's so funny. It's so funny for sure.
We had so much fun.
Hey, everything looks so nice, like Carmine. Everything looks so nice.
Yeah. All right.
I've worn this for a while.
Make it.
It's Mississippi before.
All right, let me see what time it is.
It's got some minutes. So.
Catherine, you want water? Why not? Isn't there a song called Why Not? Yeah.
Hey, hey. Ho, ho. Hey, hey.
What's another song you might do?
I won't do anything you don't know.
Good. Okay.
So, are you performing locally?
Yes. Right now.
Go around?
I'm playing that festival in Irish Radio.
Oh, no. When are you playing?
Wednesday.
When?
Wednesday. Irish Radio.
What time?
Oh, I think it started. What time does John start, Dan?
9 o'clock.
Are you playing there also?
Yeah.
Yeah, oh, cool. 9 o'clock? What's the name of the band?
You know.
Yeah, well,
Lee
we would
Harper?
probably call you for that period, so.
And the really cool thing about the place is 5 doors down,
What's that gig?
if that. There's a great.
Oh, yeah, no, I'm not going to do that.
Great guys. I have been there before I played.
I go there on a Monday night. I go there on a Monday night. Well, maybe we should go on Wednesday because I heard what he said, but I
You
said, I
ever
told
watch
him,
any of those
but I go on
history of
Monday night, so I know where it is.
Yeah.
Yeah, I've seen those movies.
A couple of them are pretty close to true,
Tarzana Mall.
you know, all the way through. Most of them have some little mistakes here and there.
The one I watched makes me,
One of them was very complimentary of my work
I know the
with the band.
from hang
Actually, I'm gonna turn this on and see if it's working.
Alright. If you're gonna go live, let me know and I'll say something. We got 9 minutes, or 3 minutes. You might as well put it on and let it roll. Who? No, she's out of town. Dan's got double duty. He's doing the engineering. Let me know when we're live. Well, I guess he says we're live. My daughter Kim is up at Big Bear with Brandon. They're on this little thing that they do, and so I've got Dan Hugart, my what I call the ace in the hole guy, doing the engineering stuff and playing drums. So tonight you're probably just gonna basically see one shot, and then Dan. Every once in a while you might see Dan get up from behind the drums and go back and look. He says no, he's not going to do that. Well, that's fine. If he doesn't have to, we're good. We hope everything is good with the volume. Let us know how we going to know. Look at your phone. Keep it on the phone when somebody calls. It's on now. Good. Well, watching in case something's wrong, you folks just let us know. We'll take a minute and fix it. But so I just got in yesterday at 11:30 actually in the morning from North Carolina, and we left on about the 7th, and we got back yesterday. So we're gone about 3 weeks. Susie and I take a trip every year Thursday, Bob.
It sounds like fun to me.
In August.
Yeah.
We left this year on a Thursday in August, and we got back yesterday, and we had more fun with all the folks that we see. And we sent up little clips during the week. A lot of you people commented on them. Don McGinnis and me playing with my son in Texas, playing with my brothers in San Antonio. Then we went over to Shreveport, Louisiana, James Burton and Louise Burton, and then the whole family there were just lovely to us. And then where else did we go? Oh yeah, went to Nashville and hung out with Johnny Blankenship and my nephew Ronnie Gilbo. Yeah, he's there. We had a couple of days with him. Then Johnny, we played a really nice gig, and there had some fun. And then from there we went to North Carolina to see Don McGinnis.
Good old Don.
We spent about 3 days with him, played a gig with him. A bunch of guys came over. We had fun. And then we headed home. And there was a bunch of little things that kind of happened on the way home that, weren't life-threatening, but a little stressful.
Weather?
Weather one time hit a really big flood coming through Arkansas. And they said, you better get out of here quick.
Get out.
Because the water's coming and we can't stop it. So it turned out I pulled off and I asked the guy at a restaurant, I said, I'm trying to get back to California. What kind of trouble do you think we're in? You live here. And he said, well, actually, where you are right now is your odds are pretty good because you passed a real bad section. I mean, it was pouring. You couldn't even see where you were going. I mean, it was raining for like 100 miles, 150 miles, just pouring rain. He says, from here, you're going west. I said, yeah. He said, well, you're going to start going uphill a lot. And he said, that section never floods because you'll be on higher ground.
Higher ground.
I said, well, what am I doing talking to you for? I said, Sue, get in the car, head it west. And we took off. So we dodged a bullet.
Step on the gas.
And then these lights came on in my car. Check coolant. That had been going on for a while, and I went to a store and bought some. We rent the car. Not supposed to do that. But cars are cars. And I popped the hood and wouldn't take any coolant. And I drove it, and I was watching it. It wasn't overheating. A little red light came on. Said check coolant. Thing was blinking, and I'm thinking, I'm not going to check. And it made it all the way home.
All right.
And it was good. And the car ran good, but it was kind of stressful driving out in the middle of nowhere, looking at these lights blinking at you, thinking, well, what's going on? I don't know. Anyway, so much for that. Paul.
Yes.
How's family?
Family's good.
Good to see you.
Good, yeah. My brother's back on his feet.
Oh man,
He-
God bless
He
him.
did great.
Good.
Yeah, he had a heart attack a few weeks ago, and he was unconscious for about 10 days. And now, thanks to the fact that he was playing horseshoes with some friends, and as soon as he passed out, they gave him CPR and fixed him up, and after a long hospital stay, he's back home and he's doing better.
And they got him to the hospital on time where
They
he
did. Yeah.
where he thinks he's gonna be okay. Well, that's
Yep.
fabulous. Well, I'll say a prayer for him.
Yep.
And then Palmer called me this morning, our usual drummer, of course Dan's our drummer too, and said that he's in New Mexico doing a gig. I hope it pays more than this. I'm sure it does. Dan wants to say something so bad. Say it.
If we were in goal, I would pay more.
He just made fun of how little money we make around here, Paul. But he's right about that.
Were we doing this for money?
Well, not really.
Not really.
Believe me, it's more for love.
This is
Trust
for-
me,
It's for,
especially me.
for love and fun.
And Gary Swan's not with us this week because why?
Why?
Because he's up north at his granddaughter's birthday party, and family.
That's a good excuse.
That's a good
real
excuse.
Yeah.
Okay, so now we're gonna do a song.
Okay.
I didn't hear you. I'm sorry.
Labor Day weekend.
Oh, Labor Day weekend. Yeah, I
Labor Day.
forgot about that.
Yeah.
What key we in?
Me, Kive,
Hey.
Dark Hollow. Okay. One, two, one. I'd rather be in some dark hollow where the sun don't ever shine than to be in some big city in a small room with a girl on my mind. So blow your whistle, freight train. Bring me farther on down the track. I'm going away. I'm leaving today. I'm going, but I ain't coming back. freight train. Take me farther on down the track. I'm going away, I'm leaving today. I'm going, but I ain't coming back. So blow your whistle, freight train. Take me farther on down the track. I'm going away, I'm leaving today. I'm going, but I ain't coming back. Yes, I'm going away, I'm leaving today. I'm going, but I ain't coming back. And we're off.
You know, you love the Beatles, right?
Yeah.
Who doesn't? You know, Bob's a big Beatle fan. He knows all their birthdays and everything, but who isn't a big Beatle fan anyway? Everybody loves the Beatles.
Yeah, if you grew up with them, yeah.
Yeah,
sure,
me. Well, I was about their age, so I was kind of pretty close
Yeah, you are.
along with them. Yeah, absolutely. But you know, this is the instrumentation that they started out with. You know, was
Correct.
2 guitars, bass, and drums. You know,
And occasionally piano.
yeah, but you know, mostly Ed Sullivan was just
Oh, yeah.
this. You know,
That's
good.
right.
They were a good band, weren't they?
Very good
They were a hell
band.
of a band. They're
Very
still
good. They
going
did well.
strong.
To say the least.
They're still selling that stuff. to this
Oh,
day.
every
Decent,
day.
decent songwriters too.
Oh, decent.
Very decent.
Yeah, not awful. You know.
Yeah.
All right, what do you want? Are you ready yet? You want to let Paul do another one? Oh, we're borderline here. Okay, we can do this. Coming to you we're right next door to Bob Smith Toyota.
Right
you
next
know
door.
that, Paul?
I know. They're so close. We can smell
can
the
almost-
new upholstery.
Okay, so we're kind of having fun today, folks. I just drove in from what's it called, Kingman, Arizona.
Yeah, Kingman.
I got here about 11:30 yesterday morning.
Is that near Barstow?
Did I what?
Is that near Barstow?
It's a couple hundred miles, I think, east, but we went through Barstow.
How about Oklahoma City? It looks so pretty.
Yeah, we went through Oklahoma City. We went through all the 40 all the way out,
There you
all the
go.
way home.
Right.
We took the 10 back and the 40 home.
Great.
And it's great fun to get to see a lot of the country that way, you know. All right, so do another one.
Okay. Before the next teardrop falls in the key of G.
Okay.
2. 1, 2. If he brings you happiness, then I wish you all the best. It's your happiness that matters most of all. But if he ever breaks your heart, if the teardrops ever start, I'll be there before the next teardrop falls. I'll be there anytime you need me by your side to dry away any teardrops that you cry. And if he ever Darling, I want you to know that I'll stand by you if ever you should call. But if he ever breaks your heart, if the teardrops ever start, I'll be there before the next teardrop falls. I'll be there anytime you need me, by your side to dry away any teardrops that you cry. And if he ever leaves you blue, just remember I love you, and I'll be there before the next teardrop falls. I'll be there before the next teardrop falls. I didn't know how to put the brakes on. I couldn't find the brake pedal.
Stay on arms.
Yeah, is that
That's the one I need.
is that the Lauderdale one?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah. It's a all the five E and B. It's a 5511 E. Yeah. Okay. There we go. This is a Jim Lauderdale piece that George Strait did. Jim Lauderdale. Yeah. Here we go. One, two, a 1, 2, 3, 4.
Many times temptation grows so strong and makes someone go blind to what is wrong. Let's stop now while there's still the strength to see. So turn your eyes and run away from me. Stay out of my arms. Take my advice, it's easy to break the same heart twice. Let's stop the hurt before it starts. Don't follow me, stay out of my arms. Chorus. Well, I'm sure you'll find someone to have and hold, and keep the promises that you were told. I'd only lead you on and let you down, and hurt you when good memories can't be found. Stay out of my arms, take my advice. It's easy to break the same heart twice. Let's stop the hurt before it starts. Don't follow me, stay out of my arms. Play it, Paul. make someone go blind to what is wrong. Let's stop now while there's still the strength to see. So turn your eyes and run away from me. Stay out of my arms, take my advice. It's easy to break the same heart twice. Let's stop the hurt before it starts. Don't follow me, stay out of my arms again. Stay out of my arms, take my advice. It's easy to break the same heart twice. Let's stop the hurt before it starts. Don't follow me, stay out of my arms. Don't follow me, stay out of my arms.
Thank you so much. I learned that from Heather Miles. I recorded that with her in 1990.
Nice.
Yeah.
Great song.
Great song.
Good song.
Really good.
You want to do it?
Sure.
Sounds so weird, doesn't it?
Sounds great.
I think my amp sounds funny. I don't know why. Anyway.
You're standing above it, that's why.
One, two, three, dog. Oh, blue, broken hearted me, holding to a memory. Since you've been gone, I don't want to talk. Sorry, Bob. Sorry. You and broken hearted me. That's all. Can't explain the way I feel. Every tear I cry is real. Since you've been gone, no matter who I try to be, you and broken hearted me. Oh! I never felt so down and out. Never felt so all without. And since you've been gone, no matter who I try to be, screw and broken hearted me. Oh, blue and broken hearted me. Holding to a memory. Since you've been gone, no matter what I try to be, screw and broken hearted me. And I can't explain the way I feel. Every tear I cry is real. And since you've been gone, no matter who I try to be, screw and broken hearted me. Oh, blue and broken hearted me. Holding to a memory. Since you've been gone, no matter what I try to be, blue and broken hearted. Take one, Paul.
folks.
Yeah.
Paul,
Yes. Carmine.
do one.
Flowers while I'm living.
Good song.
He's key of G.
1-5.
151.
Okay.
1, 2, 1, 2. In this world today where we are living, some folks say the worst of us they can. But when we are dead and in our casket, they always slip some lilies in our hand. Well, won't you give me my flowers while I'm living, and let me enjoy them while I can. Please don't wait till I'm ready to be buried, and then slip some lilies in my hand. It's in this world is where we need our flowers, a kind word to help us get along. If you can't give me flowers while I'm living, please don't send them when I'm gone. Now won't you give me my flowers while I'm living, and let me enjoy them while I can. Please don't wait till I'm ready to be buried, and then slip some lilies in my hand. It's in this world is where we need our flowers, a kind word to help us get along. If you can't give me flowers while I'm living, please don't send them when I'm gone. Well, won't you give me my flowers while I'm living, and let me enjoy them while I can. Please don't wait till I'm ready to be buried, and then slip some lilies in my hand. Please don't wait till I'm ready to be buried, and then slip some lilies in my hand.
That sounds like a Bob Wills song.
Sounds like it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Who did it?
Do
we know?
Flat and Scruggs.
Oh, well, that's kind of close, I guess.
Yeah.
You got one there, Bob?
I do. We're gonna do a rock number now.
Okay.
First rock
I
number.
feel like rocking out.
It's called Summertime Blues, and I got them.
E.
I get it every summer.
E. Yes.
I'll start with a do. We will all do them now. Here we go.
I'm gonna raise a fuss, I'm gonna raise a holler about working all summer just to try to earn a dollar. die, son, you gotta work late. Sometimes I wonder just what I'm gonna do when there ain't no cure for the summertime blues. Well, now my mama and papa told me, son, you gotta make some money. If you wanna use the car to go riding next Sunday. Well, I didn't go to work, I tell you, boss, I was sick. He said, you didn't work a lick 'cause you didn't work a lick. Sometimes I wonder what I'm gonna do, and there ain't no cure for the summertime blues. I'm gonna take 2 weeks, I'm gonna have a vacation. I'm gonna take my problems to the United Nations. Well, I called the congressman, he said, quote, I want to help you, son, but you're too young to vote. Sometimes I wonder just what I'm gonna do, and there ain't no cure for the summertime blues. Ain't that right? Comes Paul. I'm gonna raise a fuss, I'm gonna raise a holler. By working all summer to try to earn a dollar. Every time I call my baby, try to get a date. The boss said no dice and you gotta work late. Sometimes I wonder just what I'm gonna do, and there ain't no cure for the summertime blues. Ain't no cure, that's for sure. And there you go.
Summertime, Bobby Cox, who did that?
Eddie Cochran.
Eddie Cochran. Bobby is his nephew or somebody, the guitar player. Bobby
Yeah,
Cochran.
he's great.
Oh, yeah, good player.
Really good. Yes.
Go, Bobby Cochran. How much time? Teresa, come on up here. Dr. Teresa said she's got some family watching the show, so we're going to get her up here and come and entertain your family.
Yeah, I'm gonna bring a different amp next time. This amp can't handle it.
You know, I've got that quilter in the time I want to use it with the 15 inch. It might be a good acoustic.
That'd be great.
And what's good? What you gonna do now?
You got it. Give us the key and what we're doing.
How about prime time again? Key G?
What's that?
G. Key.
G?
G.
As in God?
No. Okay. 151. Oh, 1, 2, 3.
Oh, it's crying time again. You're gonna leave me. I can see that far away look in your eyes. I can tell by the way you hold me, darling, that it won't be long before it's crying time. Now they say that absence makes the heart grow fonder, and that tears are really rain to make love grow. Well, my love for you could never grow no the door. Oh, it's crying time again. You're gonna leave me. I can see that faraway look in your eye. I can tell by the way you hold me, darling, that it won't be long before it's crying time. That it won't be long before it's crying time. Well, thank you, Carmine, and that's for my son, Tony. Thank you. Good job. Okay, there. We did it. We did it again.
We should have walked down.
You know what? I forgot to put the lights on. I hope it's bright. Is it bright enough, you think? I'm not going to bother with it now. How's it look? It's good? Okay. We're going to go what we got. I got beautiful overheads. This thing lights up. Forgot to put the lights on. Oh, well, 3 weeks on the road. What do you got?
Hey, good looking. C 251. Yeah. About here. Yeah. Oh, 1, 2. Oh, 1. Hey, good looking. What you got cooking? How's about cooking something up with me? Hey, sweet baby, don't you think maybe we could find us a brand new recipe? I got a hot rod Ford and a $2 bill. I know a spot right over the hill. Soda pop and the dancing is free. If you wanna have fun, come along with me. Hey, good looking. What you got cooking? How's about cooking something up with me? I'm free and I'm ready, so we can go steady. How's about spending all your time with me? No more looking, I know I've been tooken. How's about keeping steady company? Well, I'm gonna throw my date book over the fence. Buy me 1 for 5 or 10 cents. Keep it till it's covered with age. 'Cause I'm writing your name down on every page. Hey, you good looking. What you got cooking? How's about cooking something up with me? I'm gonna throw my date book over the fence. Buy me 1 for 5 or 10 cents. Keep it till it's covered with age. 'Cause I'm writing your name down on every page. cooking? How's about cooking something up? How's about cooking something up? How's about cooking something up with me?
We're having fun today. We just got home yesterday from I drove about 6,000 miles. And the first car we rented, I will not name the company we rented it from because they were so good about taking care of the problem. They gave us a discount. They were very kind to us. And but the first car we took off between here and my first stop was Marble Falls to see my son Charlie. And halfway across, the oil light comes on and it's blinking, and you know, I'm like, what the heck? I pull over, find a auto parts place, and no oil in the car. It's like it wasn't even showing on the dipstick. I'm like, this is a new car I rented. They didn't have oil
That's
in it.
unheard of.
Yeah, unbelievable. So I buy a couple of quarts and put it in, and we go. And then a few hundred miles later, by the time I get to San Antone, the lights come back on. Just about 100 miles outside, they're blinking, service engine, do this, do that. I'm like, so I go to the airport in San Antone, which was a bit of an inconvenience for me because I'm trying to have a good time. And they immediately put me in another new car. They were very good about it, so the service was great. You know, wasn't their fault, I got them. Anyway, they give me another car and they take off, and about 1,000 miles out, I'm on my way to wherever the hell I'm going next. Light comes on. Check the coolant. I'm like, check the coolant. True story. Same company, another car. I'm cool. I buy a gallon of coolant, and I buy a funnel. So far, I've taken a trip up into 2 auto parts stores so I can keep going. And we opened the hood, I stick the funnel in there, and I put the oil in, the coolant, and it doesn't even take hardly any, and it's overflowing. I'm thinking, well, it's got coolant. I put it back, and I drive another couple of hundred, light comes back on. Check coolant. All the way across, all the way to North Carolina. So I called the company. I talked to a guy named Chris. Chris says, don't worry about it, Mr. Sourdough. By the time you get to Monroe, North Carolina, I'm going to call you in the morning, and we're going to have a garage set up. We're going to call ahead. They're going to know you're coming. They're going to check it out and make sure it's right. And that's still, it's okay, but it's still kind of an inconvenience. I still got to go to some garage. Maybe they'll say keep it overnight. You know, I mean, I was where I was going to be for 4 days, so I was okay. But so he says, I'll call you at 8 in the morning. I say, okay, I'm checking my phone. He never called back. You know, that's not a good thing. So I just kept checking the coolant, and we came all the way back home and never overheated. The lights were just blinking, and I got used to them. It was almost, I kind of started to like them. You know, it was kind of pretty, red lights blinking while you're driving, 80 miles an hour, hoping that all of a sudden something doesn't pop through the...
That's why they make black tape.
Yeah, electrician's tape, put it over the top. So I delivered the car today, this morning, and I was very nice, and the manager was very nice. He apologized. They knocked off a bunch of money for my time in trouble. And I said, sir, we will be back because it's not your fault. Sometimes things go wrong, and that doesn't mean the whole company is bad.
Sure.
So, you know. So I said, next trip we take, I'm coming to see you. He said, I will take care of you. I said, you already did. Thank you.
Very good.
And I went home.
Good story.
That's the way I look at it. But I might just check out Enterprise, just as a backup. No, I'm kidding.
So it wasn't Enterprise. All right.
Okay. It wasn't.
Okay.
I'll tell you off the air which company it was.
Okay.
But they were very nice. They were very, you know, they were good. All right, that's my car rental experience.
You gonna sing one? You gonna sing one again?
You want? No, you're doing
I'll
that.
do another. This let's do the Lonesome Fugitive.
Yes.
That one.
That's the one, yeah. And it starts, yeah.
Yeah.
What key?
Then in the middle of the song, it'll be the longer chord change. So at the end, it'll be the short.
Okay.
G. 1, 2. Oh, 1, 2, 3.
Down every road, there's always one more city. I'm on the run, the highway is my home. I've raised a lot of cane back in my younger days, while Mama used to pray my crops would fail. Now I'm a hunted fugitive with just two ways: outrun the law or spend my life in jail. I'd like to settle down, but they won't let me. A fugitive must be a rolling stone. Down every road, there's always one more city. I'm on the run, the highway is my home. Home. Come on. I'm lonely, but I can't afford the luxury of having the one I love to come along. 'Cause she'd only slow me down and they'd catch up with me. 'Cause he who travels fastest goes alone. I'd like to settle down, but they won't let me. A fugitive must be a rolling stone. Down every road, there's always one more city. I'm on the run, the highway is my home. I'm on the run, the highway is my home.
All right.
With the Merle Haggard ending.
Thank you.
Mighty fine. Mighty
Another
fine.
fine job. You know, Bob, I missed you, man.
Miss you too.
You've been busy,
Everybody.
and I know it's okay. We're back.
I'm getting tired of looking at my four walls.
Are you?
Just kidding.
Four walls.
Yeah.
No.
Oh, that's a good one.
What do you got, Paul?
Let's do this one.
in the key of A, whatever it is.
The lonesome side of a train going by.
Oh, yeah, okay.
Makes me want to stop and cry. I'm blue, I'm lonesome too.
Love that song.
Two, a 1, 2. The lonesome side of a train going by makes me want to stop and cry. I recall the day it took you away. I'm blue, I'm lonesome too. When I hear that whistle blow, I wanna pack my suitcase and go on the lonesome side of the train going by. Makes me wanna stop and cry. In the still of the night, in the pale moonlight, the wind it moans and cries. These love-sick blues, I just can't lose. I'm blue, I'm lonesome too. When I hear that whistle blow, I wanna pack my suitcase and go the lonesome side of the train going by. Makes me wanna stop and cry. When I hear that whistle blow, I wanna pack my trunk and go the lonesome side of the train going by. Makes me wanna stop and cry. I'm blue, I'm lonesome too.
Yeah. I know we're getting too dark now, but if I put the lights on, it'll be way too bright. It's getting a little dark now, huh? Should I put the lights on? We only got one more song. Deal with it. Next week we'll have all the lights on, everything will be. Kim will be back. Dan, you did a great job setting this stuff up and getting us going. Thank you. And you did a good job on drums too. You're welcome. He doesn't say much, you know, but I know what he's thinking.
We can start now.
So it doesn't matter. Ready when you are, Mr. DeMille.
Pretty soon it'll be Christmas, and we'll have plenty of lights around, right?
That's right.
It's just around the corner.
We're putting Christmas tree here and everything this Christmas. You watch. All right, we got about 5 minutes. I wonder if I should just do another. Yeah, let me do one more.
Do one more.
Let me.
Anything funny about this one?
No, it's just.
C or D?
It's in C,
Okay.
and all the singing walks up with a 4 chord. It's White Freight Line. Have you heard that song?
I think so.
You'll hear it. It's up, but all the soloing, all the singing.
wanna
is
watch
on
your
the
hands.
4 chord. Yeah.
White Freight Line. Let me come back.
Faster. Going out on the highway, listen to the big trucks whine. Going out on the highway, listen to the big trucks whine. That white freight line is gonna satisfy my mind. Bad news from Houston, half my friends have died. Bad news from Houston, half my friends have died. And that white freight line is gonna satisfy my mind. And that old dog will fight, but people they will treat you fine. That old dog will bite, and people they will treat you fine. And that white freight line is gonna satisfy my mind. Bad news from Houston, half my friends have died. There's bad news from Houston, half my friends have died. And that white freight line is gonna satisfy my mind. gonna satisfy my mind. I'm going out on the highway, listen to the big trucks whine. That white freight line is gonna satisfy satisfied mind. Yeah, man.
All right.
Paul, do one quick one. We're going to go 5 minutes over, folks. Thanks for watching the show. We'll be here next week with the full crew, and we'll be carrying on. Happy to be home.
Let's do it in D. Wild Side of Life.
Okay.
Ba, ba, ba. Kind of up on the 5, 2, 1, 2. Well, you wouldn't read my letters if I wrote them. And you asked me not to call you on the phone. But there's something I'm wanting to tell you. So I wrote it in the words of this song. I didn't know God made honky-tonk angels. I might have known you'd never make a wife. You gave up the only one that ever loved you, and went back to the wild side of life. Oh, the glamour of the gay nightlife has lured you to the places where the wine and liquor flow, where you wait to be anybody's baby and forget the truest love you'll ever know. I didn't know God made honky-tonk angels. I might have known you'd never make a wife. You gave up the only one that ever loved you, and went back to the wild side of life. Play one more time. I didn't know God made honky-tonk angels. I might have known you'd never make a wife. You gave up the only one that ever loved you, and went back to the wild side of life. And went back to the wild side of life.
Good night, folks. See you next week. Thanks for watching. Now, while Dan's walking over there to turn everything off,
that's made for acoustic guitar, right?
Yeah, but it's made for an acoustic guitar, not playing this loud.
Oh, okay.
He's turning it off any second, I can just see. See you next week.
I could do that. Nick.
Don't forget to push like and share
One time through this thing.
Yeah.
and subscribe on YouTube.
Okay, it was sort of clipping on that, or the compressor was kicking in. You know?
That's
like
the trouble
that.
with this. Yeah.
You know, Infeld used to play for you.
I've tried this enough times now to know that
It's probably not that
it's
complicated.
not big enough.
I've always got my quote, if you have a bigger amp, you feel better, go home and you know what to do, plug it in, you'll find it.
The Roland 110